Peak travel seasons often mean skyrocketing ticket prices, but flying doesn't have to drain your wallet. With the right strategies, you can score affordable tickets even during the busiest times of the year. Tip 1. Book early, but not too early. Airlines release tickets 6 to 12 months in advance, but the sweet spot for the best prices is often 2 to 3 months before departure. Set price alerts to monitor fluctuations and book when prices drop. Tip 2. Be flexible with travel dates. Peak season doesn't mean every day is expensive. Midweek flights, like Tuesdays and Wednesdays, are often cheaper than weekends. Avoid flying on holidays themselves and opt for the days right before or after. Tip 3. Use alternative airports. Flying into or out of secondary airports can save hundreds of dollars. For example, consider Long Beach instead of LAX or Baltimore instead of Washington, D.C. Just make sure transportation to your destination won't offset the savings. Tip 4. Leverage flight comparison tools. Websites like Google Flights, Skyscanner, and Momondo make it easy to compare multiple airlines. Don't forget to check smaller regional airlines that may not appear on major booking sites. Tip number 5. Use frequent flyer miles and credit card rewards. Peak seasons are a great time to redeem points and miles. Many travel credit cards offer bonus points for purchases, which you can use to offset flight costs. Tip number 6. Book flights with layovers. Non-stop flights are convenient, but often come at a premium. Opting for layovers, especially longer ones, can significantly reduce costs. Plus, it might give you the chance to explore a new city. Tip number 7. Clear your cookies and browse incognito. Airline websites track your searches and may hike prices when you repeatedly check the same routes. Clear your browser cookies or switch to incognito mode for unbiased search results. Don't let peak season prices keep you grounded. With these 7 strategies, you can enjoy your dream vacation without overspending. Start planning smart and travel without limits.